Here we have the main characters. Beyblade of Beyblade X. This is Bird Kazami's Hellscythe, which it didn't originally belong to him. It belonged to Moti. And she got multiple different Beyblades. Like she got multiple personalities to her. Like I'm glad we're promoting mental health awareness by letting her have all these Beys that represent her different personalities. But can we just talk about how serious mental health awareness is right now? Because I also suffer from mental health. So it's a really cool thing that they're actually making awareness without actually making it aware. So yeah, definitely appreciate you, Beyblade. So this is Hellscythe BX-02 4-60T taper. This is a balance type, and he is the first balance type that we has had as the main character, not a balance type being like the end-all villain. That's what's such with 0G. As you can tell by this symbol right here, he encompasses all of the Beyblades. He encompasses them all. He is the center. So the main character actually has a pretty good chance against all the Beyblades once the main character actually, gets his his pro status. Once he gets his plot armor. The main character gotta lose some of the Beyblade matches now because Jinka Hagane was too OP and he didn't lose until he first fought the bad guy. So yeah. So yeah, here we have what the main character looks like. Bird Kazami, red hair, red Beyblade. I kind of like how they're doing that with the hair and the Beyblade this time. As you know, the new Beyblades don't come with, they have them already engraved inside the Beyblade. But they do, the starter sets all come with launchers. Notice I said starter sets, not booster sets. Alright. So here we have Hellscythe. This is the blade. Hellscythe looks very nice. You can see that flame that he has coming out of his mouth, and then the scythes around his blade. Then you have his 480 ratchet, 4 points of contact. Still don't know how I feel about 4 points or 3 points yet, which is better. Then you just put it on, turn slightly to the left, and insert taper. This is a balance type bit right here, all red, to match Hellscythe. Slap. $41.4 grams for Hellscythe. So we are going to give him the faithful run back of the century that he had when he first fought against Moti. So if you haven't read the manga yet, I suggest you go do it because I am about to give you some spoilers. The Beyblade. Now, I am going to be doing my manga reviews of all 3 chapters that are out currently, or 4 chapters. Because we did get some new news on the new Beyblades. And we also saw multiple personality again. We did see that. So yeah, got to see that master. All right. But he is taking that. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. You're supposed to be the main character. Ah, no. He's maneuvering perfectly around him. He can't touch her now. She's moving perfectly. You can't touch her. Oh, okay, so she's gonna take that first one by spin finish, so that's 1 point from OT. Wizardarrow. Oh my god! Okay. Let me try this again. He lost a lot of stamina right there, but he could not deliver the final blow. He could not deliver. Ooh, so close, so close. He came back with a last-minute final hit, and he almost delivered a critical injury to Wizardarrow. Master hits from Hellscythe. Oh, he actually was able to come back, so that's 1-2 so far. Hellscythe has actually managed to deliver critical blows to Wizardarrow. I'm gonna have to reload that one.
I'm sorry, little one.
Oh no, that Wizardarrow takes that. So yeah, Wizardarrow does beat Hellscythe. It is confirmed that Wizardarrow does beat Hellscythe. He tried to put in a good word, but at the end of the day, Wizardarrow was able to take the match with a stadium out or a pocket out. We'll give him a faithful one more time. Never mind, Wizardarrow self-killed. Okay, we will give them one more. You know, so what if that maybe clock? Never mind!
A win is a win. I don't care what y'all say. A win is a win.
In for these Beybladers anymore. Plot armor does not kick in. So thank you guys for watching. This has been Killer the King 97. I will see you all in the next video. We will be doing Team Gang Galaxy versus Team Persona tonight. So that will be. Let me show you today's lineup. Now all faces equals. I'm trying to do something. Alright. So, this will be our lineup for tonight's video. Gang Galaxy back here. Galaxy Team Persona right here. So it will be Hellscythe versus Galaxy Pegasus. Wizardarrow versus Earth Eagle. Dragon Sword versus Ray Unicorno or Ray Striker. And then Night Shield versus Libra. Flame Libra. So that is what it was coming up in our upcoming video. So thank you guys for watching Killer King 97. If you guys didn't know, I'm sponsored by BayWarehouse.com. Link in this description down below at the bottom of the screen right here. If you want 10% off of all your Beyblades and you're feeling extra nostalgic and you want to get both the new gen and the originals, go to BayWarehouse.com and use my code KTK97 for 10% off your entire order. I will see you guys in the next video.